Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here two Watch Ultra clone smartwatch in the market. We have the T20 Ultra 2 smartwatch. This is the latest Watch Ultra clone. And the other one is the popular T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Also a second generation Watch Ultra clone. As you can see here, both wearable is a Watch Ultra clone, and at the same time they also have the same support app, the iWatch Pro application. Okay, so I'm interested to see whether they have the same menus and features. It will be my first time to check on or to compare the design as well as the menus and features of these Watch Ultra clone. Again, here on our left side, the T20 Ultra 2, and the other one is the T900 Ultra 2 smartwatch. I guess it is very interesting to see or to compare these two wearables. So if you have any questions regarding the T20 Ultra 2 or the T900 Ultra 2, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Alright, so let's start. Let's check first the packaging. As you can see here, we have the T20 Ultra 2, and it is using the iWatch Pro app. It has 4 bands available for the T20, so it comes with a 4 strap. While for the T900 Ultra 2, very simple. We only have at least, I think it is just 1 strap, and it is also using the iWatch Pro. They almost have the same price, but as you can see here, the latest T20 Ultra 2, it has at least additional 3 extra straps for the wearable. For the design, as you can see here, both do have a 49mm body frame. They almost have the same size here when it comes to the crown button as well as the body frame. Maybe there's a difference, but very slight. Okay, unnoticeable. You can barely notice the difference when it comes to the design. Of course, the color is different, but when it comes to the design of the body frame as well as the size, it is almost the same. At the back, very obvious difference here. As you can see, the T900 Ultra 2 here, the first generation, do have a fake screw, fake watch strap lock. While for the T200 Ultra 2, we do have a real screw here, and at the same time, watch strap lock. For the strap, both do have a flexible silicone strap here. Sporty. Okay, so let's check on the UI. So let's change this one. How about this one? Let's change it. Let's look for it. Okay, so they have the same wallpaper here or watch faces. Let's adjust the brightness. Do we have an option here? So we can see if they have the same color. Do we have an option? I don't see any option here. Okay, screen. Okay, so this is the highest. Okay, so let's change it. Okay, as you can see here, I can see, or you can see that the T20 Ultra 2 has a much better screen display, much brighter compared to our T900 Ultra 2 here. For the UI, on top we have the notifications, the same layout here. Okay, on the bottom part we have the quick settings or quick access to the different settings here. The same setup, as you can see, but of course the screen display here is much brighter and sharper for the T20 Ultra 2. On the other side, we have the split screen, the same layout here. Can you change the watch face using the crown button? Yes. How about this one? Yes. Okay, let's have the same watch face here. Okay, very sharp for the T20 Ultra 2. The screen display here is much sharper. For the buttons here, let's see. This is sports function. How about this one? Okay, the same. Maybe it has the same features also. Okay, let's go to the menus and features. Press. You have the dialer, the same layout here. Phone book, heart rate, blood oxygen, health tricyclic. I think it is using the same operating system here. ECG, sports, camera, blood pressure, music, reset, weather, looking for, sleep monitoring, menu style. Let's check on the menu style. How many styles do we have? 6, so the same number. Message notifications, stopwatch, the same. QR code, more. Let's see on the more section. Siri, about. We have the about section. Okay, so seems like there's a difference on this one. Let's go to the settings. Let's change first the backlight time. 30 seconds. Set language, set time, set date. Change the watch. Set time, set date. I think it is somewhat different here on the settings. More. Split screen, backlight brightness, dynamic. So as you can see here, there's no support for the dynamic or the, what do you call this one? Dynamic island. We don't have it here in the T900 Ultra 2. So that's the difference here. Set language, set time. They both have bedside lamp mode and side key settings, screen, and backlight brightness. Okay, they almost have the same setup here or functions except for the dynamic island. Netherlands, Portuguese, Bahasa. They also have the same language support here. Indonesia. Okay, the same. Okay. So let's go back to the sports function. Let's see if they have the same sports function. We have running, bike riding, tennis, volleyball, and football. We have running, bike riding, tennis, volleyball, and football, strength training. Okay, the same sports function as you can see. For the, going back to the sports, for the metrics, let's see. Running. The same data here. Time, beats per minute, calories, distance, and steps. Okay. Although the T900 Ultra was released several months ago, still they have the same features with a new T20 Ultra 2 smartwatch. Except for the dynamic island. We have a dynamic island here, we don't have it here. So obviously there's a big improvement on the screen display here, as you can see. This one is much better compared to this one when it comes to the sharpness of the screen. But overall, when it comes to menus and features, they just have the same function. Heart rate, even the heart rate monitor here, as you can see, they have the same UI. Dialer, phone book, health tricyclic, the same features here. Even the blood pressure. Of course, there's the difference on the different or on the loaded watch faces. So this one is loaded with new watch faces. Additional features for the wearable. So we have a weather, as you can see here. Looking for sleep monitoring. And we also have support for Facebook. This is notifications only. We have Twitter, WhatsApp applications. They have the same. Social apps here. We have games. Let's see. Fighter Pilot, the same game. We also have a calendar, calculator, breathing guide. So let's see the version of the smartwatch. Okay, let's go to the about section. As you can see here, the last update here for the operating system is December 12, 2023. We have version 19241. While this one, let's see, we have March 1, 2024, version 20402. So we have the T900 Ultra and the T10 Ultra 2. And as you can see here, I think they have the same model. Let's check. Going back. LY737D. So the same make, I think. More than the about section, as you can see here. LY737D. Okay, T900 Ultra, T10 Ultra 2. Let's see if they have the same UI for loading. Okay, when we turn on the smartwatch, let's see if they will have the same animation here. Okay, so the same sound. Okay, so that's it. Practically, the smartwatch is just the same with just minor upgrade to the operating system or just a minor addition for its features. If you have any questions regarding this video review, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have that time.